Now, we will deal with this kind of question, rounding or correcting numbers based on significant figure. For example, to 3 significant figure to 1 significant figure. The title of this video will be Approximation based on the significant figure. Here is the number position of each digit of numbers that you see on the screen. 3 is 1, 2 is 100,000, 4 is 1,000. Okay, and then about the rules is almost the same like rounding based on the number position. The difference is only on the first step. On the first step, we need to underline the last digit you want to keep based on the significant figure, and you count the significant figure from the left part of the number or from the left side of the number. And then after that, you take a note for the position of the underlying number, circle the next number, do the checking, and if you need to add 0, then add 0. But please revert to your notes. Now we just go directly to the example. Example 1, we have the number is 1456.07, and you need to correct this number to the one significant figure. The question is, which digit of that number that take the position of one significant figure? Of course, it's 1. So 1 take the position of one significant figure, you underline it. And then after that, you take a note. The 1 there takes the position of what? 6 is 1, 5 is 10, 4 is 100, so 1 will be 1,000. So the notes will be the underlying number must take a position of 1,000 at the end. And you circle the next number, which is 4, and the 1 will stay 1 since the 4 is less than 5. Now, after that, we look back on the notes. The underlined number must take the position of 1,000 at the end. If you look here, the 1 take the position of 1, and we need to make it as 1,000. Then we need to add 0. 1 0 is not enough, because if you give 1 0, then you will give the position 10 to 1. And if you add one more 0, you will give the position of 100 to the 1. And then you need to add one more 0. Then now the position of 1 become 1,000. And that's the result. So if you correct the 1456.07 to one significant figure, the result will be 1,000. Now, this one is the second example and the last example for the significant figure. The number is still the same, but we will correct this number to the 3 significant figure. The question is still the same. Which digit takes the position of the significant figure? Can you tell me? It will be 5. Correct. 5 takes the position of 3 significant figure. That's why you need to underline the 5. And then after that, you take a note. 5 takes the position of what? 6 is 1, so 5, it will be 10. So the notes will be the underlying number must take the position of 10 at the end. And then after that, you circle the next number, 6. And because the number is 6, that one is greater than or equal to 5, then what happened with the underlined one? You add it by 1. 5 added by 1 since the circled number is greater than or equal to 5. And that's why you have 1, 4, and 6, and then after that, the rest is gone, right? Look on the note after that. The underlined number must take a position of 10 at the end. If you look on the underlined number now, 6, the 6 takes the position of 1, but actually you need to make it become 10 for the position. So now you start on adding 0. Add 1, 0. What will be the position of 6 now? Is 10. So this one is the final answer. The number is 1456.07. If you correct this number to 3 significant figure, the result will be 1460. Thank you and see you in the next class.